Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a stellar spectrum mesh pattern using Python. So firstly let us install the required libraries and import the libraries. So here NumPy, which is used for numerical operations, creating array and mathematical functions, and matplotlib.pyplot, which is used for plotting 2D and 3D visualizations, and MPL toolkits. This provides tools for 3D plotting using matplotlib, and Access 3D enables 3D plotting capabilities. So now we'll create data for mesh grid. So firstly we'll generate angles, theta and z values. So here np.linspace start, stop and number. This generates 100 evenly spaced values, and theta ranges from 0 to 2 pi, representing a full circular rotation in radians, and z ranges from -2 to +2, representing the vertical axis. And now we'll create a mesh grid. So this creates a 2D grid of coordinates from theta and z, and every combination of theta and z is represented in a matrix form, which is used for surface plotting. And now we'll calculate the radius and coordinates. So firstly we'll calculate the radius. So here r is equals to z square plus 1. So the radius expands as z moves away from the 0, and this results in a wavy expanding circular mesh. And now we'll compute x and y coordinates. So here x and y coordinates, where x is equals to r into sine theta and y is equals to r into cos theta, are parametric equations for a circular shape. So the radius r scales the size of the circle and theta controls the angular position. So the expanding radius from a spiral effect. And now we'll plot the 3D surface. So firstly we'll initialize the figure and axis. So here figure is equals to plt.figure. This creates a figure of size 12 into 8 inches, and ax is equals to figure.add. This creates a 3D axis using projection 3D, and 111 indicates one row, one column and first subplot. And now we'll apply colors using a spectrum. So we'll generate color values. this applies a color effect using a mathematical combination of sine and cosine, where np.sin_z creates a wave pattern along the z-axis and np.cos_theta creates variation based on angular positions, and multiplying them result in a dynamic swirling color effect. And now we'll plot the surface with colors. So now in this line, ax.plot surface here plots a 3D surface using the computed x, y and z coordinates, and face colors applies a gradient from the Viridis color map which uses plt.cm.viridis, and this ensures color values are scaled between 0 and 1. And r stride is equals to 1 and c stride is equals to 1 determine the resolution of the mesh by setting row and column strides, and anti-layer side is equals to true. This smoothens the surface edges. And now we'll customize the plot, so we'll add axes and labels to the title. So here this sets the label for the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis for clarity, and now we'll add a title to the plot. So this adds a suitable title to the plot and gives a meaningful description of the plot. And now we'll add a color bar. So this adds a color bar to represent the color mapping on the surface, and shrink is equals to 0.5. This adjusts the color bar size to 50% of its original size, and aspect is equals to 5. This adjusts the aspect ratio of the color bar for better visibility. And at last we'll display the plot. So here we can see a stellar spectrum mesh grid pattern. So thanks for watching this video.